In this video, we're going to look at Popplet as a tool for making mind maps. From Popplet.com, you're going to log in. This is a free account that you create. And once you're logged in, you can make a Popplet here. I'm going to make the name of mine Carbon Cycle. I can choose a color for the background. So now that we're started with our Popplet, you can see that this is just, think of it as a huge board that you can add stuff to. To get started, you would just double click, and that gives you your first Popplet bubble. And in here you can change the color. You can change the size by simply dragging a corner to whatever size you like. You can add text. You can change the size of the text, where it aligns in the bubble. You can add a drawing, so you can draw within this bubble if you'd like. Clear that, or you can add a picture. I'm going to use a picture and upload things. You can insert videos into this Popplet if you'd like, but I'm going to insert a file from my computer. I have a image here I'd like to use of the carbon cycle. So there's my little carbon cycle image that I'm going to use as my central bubble for this Popplet. Adjust my size here. So to add bubbles off of this, it's pretty simple. You grab one of these little gray dots and you drag and drop. And from here you can change the color of this if you wanted to color code the things coming off of your Popplet. So let's say from here I'm going to select this one, drag another gray bubble off from this side. I'm going to make this red. And then from here you can actually drag bubbles off of this one. So if you wanted bubbles off of this, another bubble, maybe another bubble off of this, however you'd like. So you can have bubbles coming off of bubbles pretty easily. Once they've been placed, you can always drag them and drop them to move them around. So let's say in here I want to put photosynthesis. Maybe here's where I want to talk about cellular respiration. Alright. And that's pretty much the basics on how to do this. What's really neat though is in the share function. Once you've under the share function, you're going to want to make this Popplet public and show in Popplet public. So that'll allow you to grab a link. But you can add collaborators, so you can have multiple students working on the same Popplet. Here's where they would invite them to the Popplet via their email address, their school, Moore County Gmail, and they would add them. And after the finished product is completed, they can share this out with you, maybe in Edmodo, or email you this link, or they can put your email here and email it to you. But there's a couple different ways they could share this out. And that is the basics of Popplet.